in to the escarpment. This is one of the VIP tents. As you can see, everything is VIP. The color, theme, the bed, the decor, the ambience. As I welcome you to the bathroom, there's something interesting about this bathroom. We have an outside shower for a more natural view while taking a shower. As you can see, you can shower while you look at the lions, the buffaloes, the wildebeests. Where else would you get this? Yes, you come to this luxury camp, you get all the experience that you've been longing for. Come with me, let me show you the best part about this tent. The view. This view can be enjoyed from the comfort of your bed, your couch, or your little VIP veranda where you can sit down, enjoy a drink, enjoy the weather, enjoy the animals. Welcome to Serengeti.
Hey, welcome to Utopia Safari, where if the big boss say yes, who am I to say no? Let's come to Serengeti and enjoy the rest of the trip while you're sitting with the best view. Don't forget, Utopia Safari.
We offer you more than just an experience.